Hey, hi everyone. So today we will be solving GFG problem of the day question. It is total count and difficulty of this problem is easy. Let's read the statement given. You are given an array ARR of positive integers and a threshold value k. For each element in array, divide it into the minimum number of small integers such that each divided integer is less than or equal to k. Compute the total number of these integers across all elements of the array. Okay, so what it is saying that if for every element of this array, if we divide it by the number k, it should be uh, divided by, or it should be less than or equal to the k value. Okay, so if we see this example that is given, k is 3 and array is 5, 8, 10, 13. So if we are going to divide 5 by 3, we will receive, it will divide 5 into, it will be divided by 1. So, and the remainder that will be stay, it will be 2. So basically it will be like 3 plus 2, right? The way they have also given. And if we going to divide 8, okay, so it will be like 3, 8 will be divided by 2 times from 3, and we will also, it will also give us the remainder that will be 2. So it is like 3 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, so here the element that will divide 8, the element k, that is 3, that will be divide 8, it will return the minimum value 3, that is going to divide this 8. Similarly, if we do this with 10, so if we are going to divide 10 by 3, we will receive 3 times 9 it will come, and one remainder will be there. So in this case what will happen, 3 times we will it will take to divide 10, and also one remainder, so we will receive 4 value, that is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1, that you can see here. And for 13 it will be like 4 times, 3 4s are 12, and the remainder that will be there will be 1. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1, so it will like, it will give you 5 value. And what we have to do in the end, we have to add all these value that took to divide these elements of the array, and give it as a result. So if we see here that for 5 we receive 2 elements, for 8 we receive 3 elements, for 10 we receive 4 elements, that is this, and for 13 we receive 5 elements. So by adding all these 4 elements we receive the value 14, and hence our result. Similarly, this question is also there. So let's deep dive in writing the code. It's not very difficult, it will be quite easy. So initially we will be adding one variable answer that will store our value. We will be looping through the array dot length plus plus, and here we will be storing value in the answer, and we will be doing math.c. I'll explain why I am using ceil here. First let's write the code k, and then return answer. So I have added math.ceil here. So whenever it will, the value k will divide the element of the array, it will return us some value. For example, if we are dividing 5 by 3, it will return us some value 1.66. okay, so when we use ceil, what it does, it picks the upper number. For example, if it is 6, so it will convert it to directly, instead of 1 it will return you 2. Similarly, and this is what we were also looking for, right, that whenever this is dividing this number, and also if there is some remainder, so I want the value to be added, right? So similarly, if we have some other value, and if there is some remainder left, so that will, with the help of ceil, it will just increase its number, and that is what we want here. So let's just run this out. I don't know why it printed twice here. Let's compile and see if it works. Okay, let's submit this up. Okay, so this is working as expected. Let's code the same thing in C++. I will be using a number array. Here I will be using a different approach, but it will be similar. So I will be using x plus k minus 1 divided by k. Okay, so it initially handles the remainder part and then it will give you the answer. Let's compile this and see if it works. Okay, it's compiled successfully. Let's submit this. Oh yeah, it is working as expected. So yeah, that is all everyone. Bye bye.